in the water.
Me too. Because the
It's
water
waving.
doesn't have bugs, it has fish.
Hi.
Where there's no alien rock creatures.
Did you catch it moving?
Yeah.
Oh, it just picked up a piece and stuck it back on itself. Oh my God.
I should put this on YouTube and see if anybody can identify it. Well, Serena, after a while we will. I'm just getting some video of this.
Do you want to play yeah? You want to play yeah?
So we can get away from the alien bug creatures.
Yeah, we get away from the alien bug creatures.
And we're going, it'd be like grasshoppers.
I have never seen anything like that.
I don't know.
If only we had better vision. Maybe it's like a crab or a crab spider. Maybe crab spiders do that. It
Are there
moves
crab
like a
spiders
spider.
that cover themselves with stuff?
I don't know. I don't know, but it seems like it moves a bit like a spider.
It looks like a little poodle through this viewer thing. Okay, I think that's enough.